What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom. And in today's video we are going to take a look at the reasons why you should consider buying the Vivo X70 series and the reasons why you should avoid that smartphones. And overall, should you consider buying the smartphone at the price which has been offered by the Vivo? Let's find out in this video. But if you're new here, then consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. As over here, more than 90% of you watching this video haven't subscribed to our channel, so please do hit that subscribe button. Now the very first reason why you should even consider buying the Vivo X70 series is about the cameras, and we all know that the Vivo X70 series are the only smartphone series which comes with a gimbal mode inside the cameras. Now in the Vivo X70 Pro and the X70 Pro Plus comes with a gimbal stabilization in its primary camera and also in the ultra wide lens. Now these cameras are also being optimized by the Zeiss optics, so you can expect a very good camera updates and the image quality from this phone. Not only that, it also comes with a T-star protection on the glass, so you won't be feeling any kind of smudges easily on this glass back also on the cameras. And not only that, it also comes with a 5-axis stabilization on this phone, which makes this phone an overall best experience for the smartphone if you are someone who are into the videography. Now the next thing which you should consider buying the Vivo X70 series at starting at 47,000 rupees is about the display, and it comes with the, just hold on, and it comes with the CP02 120Hz E5 LTPO panel, and it's a curved display. Yes guys, it's a long one, but this phone comes with this display, and not only that, the high touch sampling rate with up to 240 Hz of touch sampling rate, and the E5 LTPO panel we have also seen in the flagship panels, and the phone can go down to 1 Hz of refresh rate and to up to 120 Hz when it's required. Now this thing will also helps you out in the battery performance of this phone, as it comes with a 4400 capacity of milliamp battery. And not only that, if we talk about the charging of this phone also, then we get a 44 watts of flash charge with the Vivo X70 Pro and the 55 watts of fast charge with the Vivo X70 Pro Plus. Now you also get a fast wireless charging with the Vivo X70 Pro Plus, and it's up to 50 watts of flash wireless charging. Now not only that, the more of about this phone is that the Vivo X70 Pro Plus and the Vivo X70 Pro is about the processors, and the processor are the flagship processor provided by both the Mediatek and the Snapdragons. The X70 Pro comes with a Mediatek Dimensity 1200 processor, and whereas the X70 Pro Plus comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 Plus, which is an overclocked version of the Snapdragon 888. Alongside also, what you find with these phones are the base RAM and the storage. The base storage which you get with the Vivo X70 Pro is that the 8 plus 128 for the X70 Pro, and the X70 Pro Plus comes with a different configuration, and it comes with the 12 gigabytes of RAM, and the base storage on the X70 Pro is 128 GB, and whereas the X70 Pro Plus comes with a 256 gigabytes of storage. Now what you also get with the Vivo X70 series is that the same which we have recently seen on the X60 series, is that the virtual RAM. Whenever your phone runs out of the space for the RAM and it requires extra RAM, then the phone will be getting its extra RAM from the internal storage. And in the case of the Vivo X70 Pro Plus, your RAM can be extended by up to 4 gigabytes, so which means that your effective RAM in the smartphone will be of 16 GB. Now isn't that amazing? The next thing about the Vivo X70 series is about the design, and the design of this Vivo X70 Pro and the Pro Plus are very premium, and you don't get any kind of fingerprint magnets on this phones at the back and also in the front. The X70 Pro is a light phone at 183 grams, and it comes with the black color option and the Aurora down color option, while the X70 Pro Plus is being weighed at 213 grams, and it also comes with the 2 colors option. You get both of these smartphones, you get the under display camera, and the X70 Pro Plus is the curved edge display with the phone. Now the periscope camera on this smartphone is also at an 8 megapixel with an OIS, which is a optical image stabilization. When it comes to the pricing, then the X70 Pro starts at rupees 47,000 rupees for the 8 plus 128 and it goes up to 53,000 for 12 plus 256 storage. Whereas the X70 Pro Plus starts at rupees 80,000 and it's the only one variant it comes with. It's the 12 plus 256 gigabytes of model. Now you also get a law pre-booking and the launch offers with this smartphone, as you will get a 10% of cashback for the payments to ICICI, Citibank and the Kotak Mahindra bank cards and the EMI transaction. With that also you will be also getting a one-time screen replacement of this phone and the no-cost EMI option for up to 12 months. The phone is available right now on Flipkart and you can also find that in the link in the description below. And according to me, that the Vivo X70 Pro might be the reasonable option at the price of starting at 47,000 rupees, which is asking price for the Vivo. And the Vivo X70 Pro Plus is definitely a phone for the people who are looking more into the videography or in the vlogging side. Overall, what do you think about these smartphones? Are you planning to buy any of these? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below and vote us out in the community poll. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the very next one.